grade, and this is our second year of Blue Ribbon Scholars. So we started riding, I think we were about 6. There was a barn near our house, and we could always see the horses in the paddock, so we wanted to go. And my mom grew up riding as well, so she let us do summer camp, the hottest week ever. And she said that if we liked it then, we would definitely like it, and we ended up loving it. I mainly do just the hunters and equitation, whereas Lizzie mainly does jumpers and equitation. We mainly compete against each other in the equitation, and I feel like no matter how well or not great our round is, we both are going to be supportive of each other. I always try to support Zoe whenever I'm in a class with her, or if she's in a different class, I always try to go watch, cheer her on, and then both support each other no matter what. My goals for the future are to stay in the industry and work in as many parts as I can. I want to train other people to have good horsemanship and ride up to the level they want to ride. And I also want to train younger horses and just really get as much experience as I can. I want to be a professional, and I want to develop young horses who love the hunters, and I want to do international derbies. And definitely want to train. I like kids a lot, especially if a kid loves it as much as I did when I was little, and I still do. And also do course designing and just learn as much as I can.
You guys want to go out together into the industry?
Probably. Definitely at some point when we're older, probably. We have Double Down Equestrian as our LLC, and when we're older we can start our own training facility together, but I definitely want to start off working for some people that I really look up to. Yeah, because I want to work for people so that I can learn so much from them. I love Blue Ribbon because they give me great learning experiences.
And they are great tutors that help us with everything.
Abby helps us with our chemistry. She's super good at it and helps us understand the tricky questions. Claire helps me with my English work, and she's really good at helping me incorporate my English into what is in my life. Eileen is a great math tutor. She helps me understand easier ways how to do my math problems. Dr. Ron is also such a great math tutor. He helps us with our math when we don't know what we're doing. Mira is the best tutor. She helps run the program and make sure that everyone's having fun and doesn't feel too overwhelmed. And we also love Blue Ribbon because they help us manage our time while we're showing on circuit.